American.
Are you joking?
Standard British.
Are you joking?
Devonshire.
Are you joking?
German.
Are you joking?
Scottish.
Are you joking?
Geordie.
Are you joking?
Brummie.
Are you joking?
Yorkshire.
Are you joking?
Scouse.
Are you joking?
Irish.
Are you joking?
Russian.
Are you joking?
Cockney.
Babes, are you joking, mate? Like,
South African.
are you joking?
Northern Irish.
Are you joking?
New Zealand.
Are you joking?
British RP.
Darling, are you joking?
New York.
Are you joking?
Australian.
Are you joking?
Welsh.
Are you joking?
French.
Are you joking?
Southern.
Are you joking?
Jamaican.
Are you joking? You're not funny.
West Country.
Are you joking?
Spanish.
Are you joking?
Canadian.
Are you joking?
Dutch.
Are you joking? Dutch. I always go for the oldie Dutchy people. So, like, oh, are you joking? I don't know how to say that in the Dutch accent. That's quite hard. Anyway, are you joking?